Alright guys, so the question was, can you put your MPC expansions into the Akai Force? And I'm going to show you on a clear video right here. The rest of the video is going to be crap on the screen because you're not going to be able to even see where it says Force. That being said, you won't need to see anything here because I'm going to be showing you what I'm going to do to get these expansions into the Akai Force. I'm talking with the pictures and everything. So I'm actually working on putting up the video right now. So in the meantime, I want to go ahead and hit load places, go to my internal drive. These are all of my projects that I've had on my MPCX. I copied them all over, and they're all here. And let's go to expansions. Here it is, MPC. Let me zoom in here for you. You have your Force, MPC clip launch, distant pulse, deep house, drum and bass, essentials, all my MPC, even my Tim Kelly down there. Gotta have my Tim Kelly. Yeah. And you can hear all of it too, and it all jives. So yes, you can. Right on. Thank you again. Another little crazy video here. That was a really good question, man. It took a lot for me to do this, so anybody else would like to hit me up with a question, I'll try and do it. And I'm going to put the rest of this video together. I appreciate you, and I will holler at you guys later. Thank you. Hey, what's good, guys? I am Poli Popo, and I'm here with the Akai Force. And I've had a lot of questions about, can you take the expansion packs that you've purchased for your Akai Live or Touch or MPCX like I have, and see if you can drag them into the Akai Force. So that's what I'm going to do in this video. So I have like right here, Vegas Festival. I don't know if you can actually see. Let me get up here. I have Vegas Festival here, and I have a few other ones. Talkbox. Some of these are unpacked, so like Melodic Horizon. So what I'm going to do is go up here to the computer. Computer mode allows the Force to blah, blah, blah. See what happens here. Okay. It just takes a second, and I just got home, so I'm a little anxious. I'm in computer mode. Let's see if it picks up another drive on my computer. It should. And this is my first time doing it, so this is, I like to share. Let me look. It's got everything here. Safely remove hardware. I don't want to remove my hardware. Okay, so far there's no way to see this on your screen for you to be able to drag and drop it. Like, it won't populate a drive. You know what I'm saying? Like, if I turn on my MPCX right now, check it. Just powered on my MPCX. You can hear it turning on right there. And as soon as I don't have it in control and with a cable, but it'll pop up like a new drive, and it'll show me my internal drive of my MPCX, and this one, for some reason, I'm not able to see it. So what I'm gonna do for a workaround is download these onto a USB stick, drag and drop them onto a USB stick, and then put them inside of there. And if that doesn't work, I'll install a SATA drive and see if I can get it to work that way. But one way or another, we're going to get these packs in here, so stay with me. Alright, so I went ahead and just tried a USB drive. I tried to do one of these USB passports, but no luck on that. I have to format that. I just went ahead and got a little Data Traveler G4 32 gigabyte flash drive, plugged it in here, and now I'm going to see. I haven't done this yet, so go to my downloads. Looks like the bank. Some of these aren't uncompressed yet. Okay. Looks like I have these saved in my other folder on my desktop. 1 second here, guys. Sorry about that. I'm going to drag this over here. Trying to get it to where you guys can see. Either way, I'm going to try to drag these bad boys over here. I got them in a separate folder. And let's see if I can. Copy the whole folder. Do my USB. Right here. So I selected all my expansions that were on my computer. I'm going to paste them. And right now it looks like it's copying files. I'm going to open a window so you can see this. 4%. So I don't know if the pictures and everything are going to pop up on my MPC or not, or on the Akai Force or not. But I'm definitely going to keep you guys informed. I'm going to let this load. I'm going to grab some Sprite or some fruit punch or something, and yeah, I'm going to continue to do this. If this doesn't work, which this should work, you know what I'm saying? I mean, we'll see. $66. I mean, it's got to work. You'd think it would work. It's taking forever. I mean, it's usually a good sign, or is it too long? Something's wrong. I guess I can take this time to thank you guys for watching, and whoop, right on 99%, 100%. All right. I didn't really think that I got the soda can effect going on. All right, cool. Let's do this. I'm gonna take out my USB. And I'll fix the blurry camera, homie. Don't worry, my good camera's not, ain't nothing working right now. Alright, hang on. Cool, so, I mean, yeah, so the camera's a little blurry. But, you don't need to see what I'll be doing on the screen. When I'll show you something on the screen, I'll make sure that it's cool and pop it on the screen, alright? But for this, right here, real quick, this is what I put those things on. It's the first time for me, so, I mean, maybe when I get a few thousand subscribers or something, maybe I can get me a camera or something like that. Be dope. I know there's a lot of people out there. I take my hats off to them. They're freaking, let's go to browser, places, and then I'm gonna go, oh wow, look at that. It picked up my whole computer. System volume information. This looks like the folder that I made, expansions, VST. Looks like I got the bank, orchestra instruments. I didn't do that. Okay. So that didn't work out too well. So I think I'm going to have to actually drag the samples from... So you can't drag the packs straight into the Force, okay? But of course you can drag regular samples into it. I'm not even going to show you. I mean, that's what it does. So I can go to the folder where I have the bank and all my samples and everything and save them on there. But I don't know. I'm going to try one more thing. I'm going to try to install... I'm not going to run everybody through what I'm going to do to try to get this to work. But I'm going to explain it. I'm going to go ahead and install an internal SATA or solid state drive into the back of this thing. And then I'm not going to show the process because it's the same way you download and export your zips. But when it asks me what destination I want to save it to, I'm going to save it to that drive that's in the back of the Akai, because that will pop up the same way that I had this little screen over. It'll pop over the same way that this stuff did over here. It don't work, of course. Where I had all my folders and everything. Sorry, where I had all my folders and everything. Yeah, I should be able to, it'll show my drive and I should be able to do that. So here we go, and install a freaking drive on the back of this thing. Yeah, guys, make sure that whenever you're unscrewing this here out of the back, these screws are unforgiving, so make sure you put your screw in, make sure you grab some meat there, and just don't do it slow. Just give it a good crank, 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 and it'll come right out. But they are stubborn. Just thought I'd let you know that. Alright, so pretty much just pops right in there, and take the 4 screws out. Got a little red ribbon there. I know the MPC, it had motherboard exposed right here. But this right here, it looks like you just give it a nice push in. We'll cover it back up. Got a Western Digital 500 gigabyte solid state drive. We'll see where it goes. I don't even know where the mic was, so I thank you guys for hanging out so long on this video. I usually don't shoot this long of one. This is important though. It was an important question. So I went ahead and installed that daily thing in the back to Western Digital. I'm going to turn this on. It's going to be a blurry camera and all that, like I say, but check it out. We're going to open this up. It actually says Force on the screen right now. That's how blurry this thing is. I'm going to fix that. Pronto. Prontissimo. Alright. So the question was, can you get your MPC expansion packs to load up in your Akai Force? Go to empty project. Gonna go to load. Gonna go to places. There's my drive. Can't see none of that. It says my drive's there. Under expansions, I'm going to show you here real quick, and then I'm going to cut to the other camera, okay, because this ain't even cool. Right on, guys. Thank you very much for everything. I'll cut to the other camera, okay? Right on.